Welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download Fortnite on your Android smartphone. So when we try to do this from the Play Store, we cannot, of course, because the Fortnite was removed from the Play Store last days. So we have to move for our browser and type in the search pool APK Pure. Enter the website apkpure.com, and in the search pool we have to find Fortnite. Take this application, close ad, and tap to download on the Epic Games. Click right here. And we can open our Fortnite installer. Click install. And right now we can open. Select Fortnite. Install. And right now launcher is downloading, so we have to wait until it's finished. Let's tap on the settings, and here we have to select this switcher to allow install application from the unknown source. Click install. Let's open. Here you have to get sure that we get the access for the microphone and the contacts to work it properly. Click OK when you get this notification, and here we can just log into our account, and if you don't have your account you have to create. So I'm going to log into my account, and here we have a few login methods. I'm going to sync in with Google, and right here you have to input your email and also the password. So let me do this. Okay, and right now just wait until the launcher pop-ups on our screen and just tap install. Right now we have to wait until the Fortnite finish download. Okay, and right now the game is loading, so we have to still wait a little bit. Okay, we can skip video. This one also. Okay, we got it. I'm going to turn the volume off a little bit. And right now we can try the game. If it is working properly, if there is no any bugs or something like that. So we are in the squads, matchmaking currently. Right now we are waiting for the server. Okay, and as you can see, the game is working. So that's how it looks. I hope that I help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!